my big calling from day one, I feel, was to always be able to build youth culture. On the journey to that dream, I realized building youth culture is not just another line I want to say in a conversation. It is a lot of work, so much work. I actually had to mean it, right? Which means I have to stand by what I believe in.
What's your thought process when you're creating something, when you're creating a piece of content? Because I've always found that to be very interesting. It's very distinct in the way you create.
Three things. It includes culture, community, and story. I always look at what culture am I helping create or be a part of. So I want to stay authentic to that culture. So fundamentally, the dictionary definition of culture is to be able to say it's the ideas or the customs that a group of people follow, right? And fundamentally, what the dictionary meaning of community means is it's a social unit with people of similar mindset, right? Of a same concept or of a religious practice of anything, right? So between community and culture, a community, a social unit, when they have a certain bunch of ideas, it becomes culture. When that culture is then told as a story, it finds acceptance. It is not fully going to be accepted. Not everybody is going to like everything you create. But the reason why I treat it this way is because I find that, my big calling from day one, I feel, was to always be able to build youth culture. On the journey to that dream, I realized building youth culture is not just another line I want to say in a conversation. It is a lot of work, so much work. I actually had to mean it, right? Which means I have to stand by what I believe in, which is to build youth culture. So if I had to build youth culture, two things had to fall in place. One is I had to understand youngsters and students and take them very seriously. One promise that I made to myself is I want to be able to take students very, very seriously because I am that student who wanted to be taken seriously. So what can I do to take students seriously, and how everything that we do should be able to help benefit the students at large, which is technically influencing some part of their culture.
Yeah.
Number one. Number two is I want to be able to disrupt more things within storytelling, and hence I used me or the things that I had in my access as the opportunities to experiment towards in impacting internet culture. What happened in that position was because I came from a very inventive mindset, and this is not me saying that, oh, we are crazy inventors, we changed the game or anything like that. I mean, to be very honest, I don't even know if you're doing the right things. But one of the things that I'm very confident about is we didn't want to do the same things, if not anything. I didn't want to follow a pattern. So I said the only way to not follow a pattern is if we can put matter over medium. We said, what's the matter? What are we talking about? What culture does it affect, or what culture are we being a part of? What community that does it benefit, and how much of what we're creating is more about the community than about the individual? And number three, how powerful is the story? Because the story has to leave, or I mean, in many ways we call it content hangover, right? It has to give you a hangover. So between these three things, when we were so honest to what we were doing, we found that, and I have a beautiful team that works along my side. So I don't take any credit to the kind of mad things that I've been able to be a part of, right? I'm so blessed to be a part of a great team, and also fellow dreamers who are ready to push boundaries alongside me. But the day I said, this is our vision, let's focus on the matter. It doesn't matter like who is the celebrity inside it, or who's the voice, who's the mouthpiece, what, all that is secondary. It doesn't matter if it's Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, all that is secondary. What is the matter? In that matter, what is the culture? In that culture, what is the community? In that community, how are we making sure that this matter reaches the right kind of people? This is overall how I treat every piece of content.